Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's start cooking. Today we will stir-fry radish cake. Also known as Lobak, it is a delicious Chinese dim sum dishes. Chili, dried shrimps, preserved radish, eggs and dried shrimp chili paste. Wash ingredients. Chopped preserved radish. Chopped chili padi. Chopped dried shrimps. Crack eggs into bowl and beat it until frothy. Cooked and cooled radish cake. Please view this video for radish cake recipe. Loosen the sides using spatula and turn it onto cutting board. Cute radish cake. So cute! You can actually heat it and eat it right away if you dislike stir-fry radish cake. Radish cake army is ready. Let's stir-fry now. Fried radish cake until golden brown. Be patient to stir-fry radish cake. Pour egg liquids, scrambled and set aside. Saute dried shrimp, mushrooms, and preserved radish. Add 1 tablespoon dried shrimp, chili paste and stir-fry. Add and mix well fried egg and radish cakes. Plate it. Fried radish cake is done. This fried radish cake is flavorful, yummy. Seasoning to adjust per dried chili paste you use. You may add bean sprouts and leek also. Let's cook and share this easy recipe with your family. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.